Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change battery in Maserati Ghibli key fob full guide. Start by finding the seam and gently prying the fob open with a small flat tool, taking care not to scratch surfaces. Remove the old CR 2032 battery and note polarity before discarding. Insert the new battery with matching polarity, press the cover back until it clicks, and test the fob before closing. Begin with the emergency key removed and a clear workspace to avoid losing parts. Gently insert a small flat tool into the seam and twist to ease the housing open, working slowly around the edge. Once open, lift the circuit board slightly to expose the CR 2032 battery and note its orientation before removal. Keep parts organized and avoid touching the board contacts directly with your fingers. In this video, I will explain how to change battery in Maserati Ghibli key fob full guide. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin pleasant after handling parts. It pairs nicely with a clean workspace and fresh hands. Check the description for the link and other deals. And if this helped, please subscribe and like the video. Now let's get back to the video. With the old battery removed, position the new CR 2032 battery into the holder with the correct polarity and avoid touching its surface. Carefully lower the circuit board back into place, ensuring any rubber pads and LEDs align correctly. Close the housing by aligning the tabs and pressing until you hear a firm click. Test lock, unlock, and trunk functions to confirm successful replacement, and reinsert the emergency key when finished.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.